good luck. Give me biscuit now.
You want my biscuits? Oya, take. Hunger throat. I'll not give you.
Please now, only small.
I'll not give you my biscuits. You see that auntie that is there? That auntie is a big fool. I don't know why. That auntie is a big fool.
Auntie, you not give me biscuit. I'll go and tell for you.
You want to go and report me?
Bet me, I'll go and tell for you.
Go and report me now. Go. Stupid boy. Because I did not give you my biscuit, you want to go and report me. Report card.
Auntie, see that good luck there. Good luck is calling you a big fool.
What? Good luck is calling me a fool. Good luck, come here. Good luck. Shebi, you're calling me a big fool. You don't have respect, Abi. Kneel down there, my friend. After fucking today with my slippers, your uncle will not recognize you. Stupid boy. You go and call your uncle. Oh yeah, open your hand.
Auntie, wait. Take a look at yourself from head to toe. Auntie, you are big. And you are large. And you are full too. That means you're a big fool.
Yes, so good luck.
Auntie, that is not what he means. He means F-O-O-L, fool.
Auntie, don't mind this boy.
It's true, I'm big, I'm a big fool. I'm full. Good luck, stand up. I'm a big fool.
Auntie, big fool.
Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Don't be stingy, please. Subscribe, like and share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Lord say I should preach inside this compound. In short, inside this house. Our topic today is taken from John chapter 5 verse 14. Your body is the temple of God. God gave us 10 commandments. And one is don't commit adultery. The second one is don't fornicate.
Don't mind him, that's not where you can talk too much. Don't mind him. Don't mind him.